Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, I'll be showing you how to clean your cutout tool. To clean our cutout tool, there's a couple different steps we have to take. First is to take compressed air and blow off the outside of the tool. This is going to get any of the large debris away from the tool. For this next step, make sure you're wearing safety glasses. Turn the tool on and then take compressed air and blow out all of the vents in the tool. The last step is to take a damp cloth and a mild detergent. Go ahead and wipe down the tool. Try to get as much of it cleaned off as you can. The cleaner your tool is, the longer it's going to last.